Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Christina from the DIY Mommy on the DIY Mommy's Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge. And she wanted us to make something to decorate outdoors or decorate an outdoor space. And I decided I'm gonna make something really cute for my outdoor space. These are our supplies over here. As you can see, this is what we will need to start our project. Now we're gonna start wrapping our rope like that to itself. We're gonna make the center and then we're gonna start wrapping it around itself over and over and over again. And as you can see, that's the tricky part of the wrapping the rope because it can get loose at any time. But you continue wrapping and just holding it while the glue sets. And like that, you keep going. Until you have the desired amount or length or size of your rope. It's like a placemat or rug, but we're making some boho wall decor. Continue going around it until you finish it. Then secure that to the back part, and that's your top part because you will see all the glue stuck to that part. So that's our back part or top part. That's the part that's gonna go on the back. And now I'm securing all of my lines, and then I'm gonna just burn the excess of the frayed rope just like that, having some water on the side just in case. I never had any problem just burning them, but you never know, so better safe than sorry. And that's it. Now we're gonna start painting. No, we're gonna add first on the back part a piece of cardboard so we can make this a little bit sturdier. And I'm gonna add some twine so I can hang it. A little bit of hot glue, piece of twine, and then we add lots of hot glue to our cardboard just like that, and we attach our cardboard. And now we're gonna start painting. With our dark gray, what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the center of our artwork, boho artwork. We're gonna paint the center, and after we finish painting the center of our artwork, we're gonna paint a rim around the perimeter of our artwork or boho wall hanging. As you can see, I haven't figured out what is this. But it's something between artwork and a boho wall hanging. Continue painting until you have all of it covered, and then just paint the rim that I'm gonna show you around our circle like that. You're gonna go all around it just like that, and that's it. Moving on. And now for our tassels, I'm gonna show you. I wrapped around my yarn 20 times and I wrap it on top like that, just a knot, and then I cut the excess of the top part. I tie a knot around it like that, double knot, and then cut the excess, divide them and cut the excess, and that's it. We have our tassels. For my twine tassels, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the twine 15 times and then repeat the process to make the tassel. just like that, we have a twine tassel. Now I'm gonna start attaching my tassels following the same pattern you see here. We're gonna attach one of twine, one of yarn, and we're gonna continue adding them all around our piece. I'm leaving like an inch or so between tassels. Now we're finishing our project. As you can see, the pattern goes all around it. And after that, we're going to give it a good coat of clear spray paint so it sets the tassels and works for outdoors. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I love this piece. The tassels, as you can see, they are stiff because of the spray paint, and now it can be used outdoors because the water won't damage it. Let me give you a closer look. This is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Christina's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.